guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Inday the vlogger. And karon we are on our way to Karkar kay mamista mi ni Inday Harley, but karon ihapit sa mi sa Santo Niño kay Ma2ke. So I'm with the rest of the vloggers, and so nami mga pamuhaton while mamista, makikaon, and of course diligid mawala ang lechon, guys. So if ever that you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will always be updated to my vlogs. So please continue watching. So guys, naanami karon sa Bolok-Bolok Sulfuric Spring. Haggard na kay ko, guys. Actually nawala na mi. And finally nakita na dyan na mo. So ingon si manong driver, before daw kuno tennis court daw kuno ni siya. Nya gihimo na siyang public pool. So, mana siya, guys. So as you can see, guys, naanami diri sa sud sa Bolok-Bolok Sulfuric Spring. So as you can see, naadyo siya sa somewhat forest, and ang iyang entrance is 20 pesos. So, bisag maligo ka or dili ka maligo, it's still 20 pesos. And then, ang cottage nga mong nakuha, which is that one, that's 200 pesos. But they still have other available cottages. But I'm not sure if pila, but this one, kini siya guys, it's 200 pesos pod. But medyo dark lang siya diri nga area. Or ngit-ngit. And then, I think this is for kiddie pool. Ni siya. Kiddie pool na siya. And then, kini siya nga pool is for everybody. So, I think ang pinaka-low money niya is 5 feet. I think. So, siya. So, it's not a private-owned establishment. It is organized and kumbaga pinamamahalaan ng LGU or government sector. And as you can see na sa Igalaba guys. So, limpyo jud ang spring diri guys. Flowing water. Ingon sila nga ang water daw kuno diri is gikan na siya sa katong na ay Mama Mary. Which is mo flow na siya padung diri down diri. So, ang place is very, ano siya guys, dako, luag siya. And careful lang po kay batoon. And malagi siya, forest lagi siya guys. Na. So, there. As we come here, gikan mi sa car and actually nawa mi kay wala mi katuod. But we will try a different route as we go back to car.